Good morning, guys. It is Saturday and I'm going to be doing a little vlog for you, so I got you. It's gonna be a good one. I'm just gonna vlog this day, Saturday, because I have quite a few things planned and I think it'll be the most interesting because tomorrow I don't really have anything going on. So it's just a one-day vlog. Right now I just woke up and I'm gonna make some coffee. Later on, I'm gonna do another PR unboxing because you guys really liked that. I ran out of my So Delicious creamer, so today I'm using coconut milk and coffee and sugar because this is unsweetened and I need some sweetness. So I got a crazy package in the mail today. This is from Blue Heron. It is a drone. So we're gonna play with this today. Nick's gonna help me put it together because I have no idea, or maybe it's already together. I don't know, I have no idea.
Yeah, there's really not a whole lot to this.
You think it'll be easy to set up?
Yeah. I hope so.
Kippy, why do you look so sad? Kippy!
Yeah, no.
Oh, Nick! Look at Kip. What is that? So we got back from the park a little while ago. So cool that that company sent that drone to me. I will link the link for it down below in the description bar. The camera quality is a little iffy. The drone itself worked really well, but the camera quality kind of was eh. But I think you can swap out cameras. Right now I'm just getting my hair ready because I'm going to be filming, but actually before I sit down and film some videos, I'm going to do the PR unboxing. So we will get into that next. What are you doing? Okay guys, so I'm going to do the PR unboxing. I have my little friend down here under my extremely messy desk. Yeah, oh my gosh, just don't look at that. I'm gonna let him rip up all of like the boxes and inside packaging as I go through these, and that might be one of his favorite things to do. So, yep. Are you excited? You have no idea what's coming, do you? I am so excited for this package because I can see that it is from Patchology. After, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. Yeah, you're so excited. He knows I'm breaking into something. Sit. For any of you that follow me on Instagram, you might have seen a, bless you, a video I did using some Patchology masks, and after that they reached out to me and asked if I would want to try any more of their products. So I said absolutely, and they let me pick out a bunch of things. So I see, okay, you can, hold on. So they sent me, these are their Clean AF, that's so cute, Clean AF On The Go Refreshing Facial Cleansing Wipes. Hey, hey! They also sent me the Cloud Mask. So this is like a nighttime mask that has retinol, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. I love their packaging too, by the way. They also sent me, hey Kip, sit. They also sent me a ton of these sheet masks, which I didn't realize they had sheet masks like that were special, kind of like fun ones. I have their traditional sheet masks, but these are their mood masks. And these two are glowy ones, these are dewy ones, and these are clear skin ones. So cute. And then I also got this lip service lip balm, gloss to balm treatment. So I'm so excited to try this stuff. Thank you so much, Patchology. Good boy. This is from a Korean skincare brand called Wishtrend, and I have, I think, a discount code or some sort of link. It's supposed to be like really good Korean skincare. Sorry if that's really obnoxious. Now he's ripping up the box. Are you serious, dude? Kip, you're being so obnoxious. Hey! Oh my gosh. Oh, he's off. He's taken the box elsewhere. This is from the brand MANNA KADAR. I hope I'm saying that right. It's like I think it's a luxury brand. I'm not sure how expensive this stuff is, but I think I'm gonna be using some of this in one of the videos I filmed today. First up, I have a 3-in-1 blush highlight shadow. I have 2 of them. I don't have time to go through everything right now because there's a lot, but like I said, I'm going to be going through some of this in an upcoming video. It's probably gonna be in my like video that I do getting ready for my next giveaway video. You guys seemed to like that last month where I did like a get ready with me for the look that I was going to wear in my giveaway video. So I'm gonna do that again and use some of this. These are 2, this is a blush and this is another one of that 3-in-1 highlight blush shadows. Kip, hey, stop it, here. Go get that. I'm gonna open one up. This is a blush, this is a brow, eye, and cheek. Let me open one of these up and see what they look like. So curious. So this is a 3-in-1 highlighter, blush, and shadow in the shade Fantasy. Hey, hey, Kip, no, no. So it's just like a single shadow, basically. That's nice packaging. This is the Goddess palette. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at that packaging. It's like alligator, like snake skin. And it has like a magnetic closure. Oh no, mirror's cracked. You have like a highlighter, blush, and bronzer. This is another bronzer or blush, and then a bunch of eyeshadows. Cool. That was very nice of them to send me that. Next. This is from iKATEHOUSE. It's kind of like an online, it's kind of like Shop Miss A. If you know of that online makeup brand, it's like very, very affordable makeup. They sent me 3 different pairs of lashes. These are each like $1 on the site. I will link it all down below, of course. And those are from Cara Beauty. And I also got sent a Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette. These kind of remind me of like Morphe palettes. Like they kind of look like that. I also definitely want to do a video playing around with this because it just looks like the colors are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This kind of reminds me of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, does it not? So really cool. Can't wait to play around with that. And then the last package I have is from China Glaze. I just love China Glaze. They're so nice and so fun to work with. What they did, I believe, for this launch, this was like one of their first launches back in 2008, and they're bringing it back. This is their holographic polishes. So it's their 10th anniversary collection. How cool is that box? And so we have here OMG Flashback 10th anniversary collection. So we have like a silver, a blue, a purple. This is like an orangey pink. This is like a blue, purple, and then like a bright magenta. So I think I'm definitely going to include some of these in my giveaway as well because there's no way I'll use all of them. So be on the lookout for that. I actually already have the date for the next giveaway set. Oops. It's gonna go up July. Yeah! Oh, he likes the holographic package. Go on. Okay, goodbye. I already have the date for the next giveaway set, and I already know who I am collaborating with, and I am so excited. The June giveaway is going to end on the last day of this month, and then the new giveaway video will go up on the 3rd of July. So be on the lookout. I definitely will include some of these polishes, and I have a ton of other good makeup stuff as well. Okay. There's the holographic box. Oh yeah, you can do more damage to that, buddy. We've got a box over here. We've got stuff over here. He never will eat any of this. Like, I could trust him. All he wants to do is rip it to shreds. You're just a destructo. Why? So I finished filming and now I am on my way. I don't know if you can see. There's a ton of garbage bags back there. I am going to be dropping those off. Those are full of old clothes of mine that I am donating, so I'm dropping those off now, and then I'm going to pick up my mom and sister. We're gonna go to the mall and have dinner. I literally just realized I didn't put what's it called? I didn't put brow gel on, and it's freaking me out. Like, Holy crap, you guys. I got rid of so much clothes. I had, I think, like 6 bags full. I did a major closet clean out like a day or 2 ago, and it feels so good. I'm driving like a grandma right now. It feels so good to just have everything cleaned out. There was so much stuff I had in my closet that, okay. There was so much stuff that I had that I really was never going to wear again, either because it didn't fit well or I just didn't really love it. And it feels so good to have it out. I can't believe I had that much. It was way too much. Like, my closet was literally overflowing. It was just ridiculous. So now I'm just going to pick up my mom and sister, and we're gonna go to the mall. So that is gonna be super fun. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up?
Hi. We're going to the mall. Mom, my mom. Mom said that.
Well, I Snapchatted you the makeup.
The makeup.
Remember? It was organic makeup.
Organic. Oh, it's raining. I can't even fit up. Is that really how tall he is?
Probably.
Let's get some shoes. Let's get some shoes. Perfect form. Oh, hi, Mom. Zara.
That one's cute. I like the white.
We're going to Bar Louie. Louie. Me too. Is this just here, or do other places have Bar Louie's?
Okay, where's the salad that I had? It was really good. Oh, this is much nicer.
Yeah, this is so cute.
But they only have like a couple of doors open. I like this actually.
Yeah. Get in there.
Oh, cool.
Yummy. Alright guys, I just got home. My little baby is eating his dinner. Look, he's so cute. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Say bye.